Another car has been murdered. Tonight's victim is a sedan that stalls without warning while driving. The engine dies suddenly, then moments later it restarts as if nothing happened. This is a troubling case. Who do you suspect? A failing fuel pump? An electrical fault? Or maybe a sensor silently betraying the engine? During the stall event, one signal disappeared instantly: the engine RPM. The moment the stall occurred, the RPM reading dropped to 0, yet the engine was still physically turned, which meant the ECU had lost its reference point. The fuel pressure remained stable, and the battery voltage remained normal. No electrical interruption. Which leaves only one explanation. A failing crankshaft position sensor. Without crank position data, the ECU cannot trigger the spark or fuel injection. The engine simply stops. Another mystery solved.